Now find the angle between hour hand and minute hand at 6:30. What is the h value is given? 6. So 30 into 6 minus, what is m value given? M value is 30. So 11 by 2 into 30, which is equals to theta. 30 into 6 is how much? 180. 11 by 2 into 30, so 2 ones, 2 15s. 11 into 15 is 165. So the angle is 180 minus 165, 15 degrees. In visualization, how will you do? At 6:30, the minute hand will be at 6, the hour hand should be at 6, but in 30 minutes, hour hand will cover certain degrees. So per minute, hour hand will cover half degree. In 30 minutes, it will cover 30 by 2, which is equals to 15 degrees. Now, at what time between 5 and 6, the hands of a clock separated by 90 degrees. Now here, this is another model. Between 5 and 6, when you will get, when the angles of a clock separated by 90 degrees. Let us take any random time between 5 and 6, 5:10, 5:22 or 5:40 kind of stuff. Here if you observe this, h value is constant, 5, the minute value is changing. So in this expression, what is given? H value is given, which is 5. 30 into 5 minus 11 by 2 into m, that is what we have to find. M is equals to theta. Theta means 90 degrees. Observe carefully. Here modulus is there. When you remove modulus, you will get plus 90 one case, and another case is minus 90. So we can write like this: 150 minus 11 by 2 into m is equals to 90 in one case. The other case is 150 minus 11 by 2 into m equivalent to minus 90. On simplification, what will you get? If you take 11 by 2m to the right hand side, it will become positive. So 11 by 2m. Bring this 90 to the left hand side. Plus 90 will become minus 90. 150 minus 90 is 60. Implies m equivalent to 120 by 11, which is equals to 10 by 11. At 5, 10 by 11, the angle is 90 degrees. In the other case, take this 11 by 2m to the right hand side. So 11 by 2m. Bring this minus 90 to the left hand side. So minus 90 will become how much? Plus 90. 150 plus 90, 240. Implies m equivalent to 480 by 11. That equivalent to 43 7 by 11. Okay. Now at 543 7 by 11, the angle will be 90 degrees. Without using the formulae, how we can do in the exam? So I have to get angle 90 degrees. First case, go in this direction. 5 to 4, 30. 4 to 3, 30. 3 to 2, 30. So total 90. The angle should be at 510. Okay. Simple. 5, 10. Write down 10 by 11. This is one answer. Now if you go the other side, 5 to 6 is 30. 6 to 7 is 30. 7 to 9 is 30. So total 90. So at 540 how to get? So 540. Write down 40 by 11. 40 by 11 can be written as 3 7 by 11. So 40 plus 3 on simplification will get 543 7 by 11. Either you can do with the formula method or with this method. Let us do another example. At what time between 6 and 7 the hands of a clock separated by 60 degrees? What is h value is given? 6. So 30 into 6 minus 11 by 2 into m. We will have two cases. One with plus 60. The other one is with minus 60. 30 into 6 minus 11 by 2 into m equivalent to minus 60. Now let us do this case. 30 into 60 is 180. If you bring this 60 to the left hand side, it will become minus 60. 180 minus 60, which is 120 equals to 11 by 2 m, implies m equals to 240 by 11, which is equivalent to 21/9 by 11. It means at 6 21/9 by 11 the angle will be 60 degrees. In the other case, 30 into 6 is how much? 180. If you bring minus 60 to the left hand side, it will become plus 60. 180 plus 60, 240 is equals to 11 by 2m, because you are sending minus 11 by 2m to the right hand side. This minus will become plus. So m equivalent to 480 by 11. That equivalent to 43/7 by 11. It means at 6 43/7 by 11 the angle will be 60 degrees. Now in this method we have to get by visualization method, simple way. 6, our hand will be at 6. What is the angle we required? 60 degrees. It means 30 degrees, another 30, so 60. It means the time should be 6:20. So simply 6:20, write down 20 by 11. 20 by 11 can be written as 9 by 11. So 1 plus 20, 21. So 6:21, 9 by 11. So that is what we got here. Now coming to the other hand side, other direction. 6 to 7, 30 degrees, and 7 to 8, 30 degrees. From 6 to 8 the angle will be 60 degrees. So 6, and if the minute hand is at 8 means 40. So 640, write down 40 by 11. 40 by 11 is nothing but 37 by 11. If you add 3 to the 40, you will get 43. So 643/7 by 11. So either way you can do this. Next, at what time between 7 and 8 the hands of a clock separated by 0? 0 means both the hands should coincide. So 30 into 7 minus 11 by 2 into m equals to 0, implies 11 by 2 into m equals to 210. M equals to 420 by 11. On simplification, 11 3s are 33, it will be 90. So 38 2 by 11. At 7 38 2 by 11 the hands of a clock separated by 0 degrees. It means both the hands will coincide. Logically, how you can solve this? So 0 means both the hands should coincide. So actually it should be 7:35. Okay, because 0 means they have to coincide. So 35 minutes is there. So write it as 35 by 11. 35 by 11 can be written as 3 2 by 11, which is nothing but 738 2 by 11. Okay, let us do another thing. Between 1 and 2 the hands of a clock separated by 0. So 30 into 1, this is the formula method, minus 11 by 2 into m equals to 0, implies 11 by 2 into m equal to how much? 30. M equals to 60 by 11. So 5 by 11. It means at 1 5 by 11 the hands of a clock separated by 0 degrees. Both the hands will get coincide. Here how will you write? Coincidence means at 1 5 I have to get both the hands should coincide. So 1 5, write down 5 by 11. That's all. At 1 5 by 11 the hands of a clock will get coincide. Between 2 and 3 with the formula method, 30 into 2 minus 11 by 2 into m equals to 0, implies 11 by 2 into m equals to 60. So m equals to 120 by 11, which is equals to 10 by 11. At 2 10 by 11 the hands of a clock will get coincide. Simple. At 2:10 the hands should meet. Okay, so 2 10, simply 10 by 11, but due to that variance you are getting this. So 2 10 by 11. Okay, between 3 and 4 logically how will you write? So 3 15. So I have to write 3 15 by 11. So 15 by 11 can be written as 1 4 by 11. So that is nothing but 3 16 4 by 11. See here, the formula method. 30 into 3 minus 11 by 2 into m equals to theta. So 11 by 2 into m equal to how much? 90. M equals to 180 by 11. So that is nothing but 11 16 is 176. Remainder is 4 at 316 4 by 11. Okay. Now look at this. Very important here. In 12 hours 0 degrees occurs 11 times. In 24 hours 0 degrees occurs 22 times. Similarly, 180 degrees occurs 11 times in a period of 12 hours, 22 times in a period of 24 hours. 30 degrees will occur 22 times in a period of 12 hours, 44 times in a period of 24 hours. Similarly, 45 degrees occurs 22 times in a period of 12 hours, 44 times in a period of 24 hours. Similarly, 90 degrees will occur 22 times in a period of 12 hours, 44 times in a period of 24 hours. Similarly, 60 degrees means it will occur 22 times in a period of 12 hours, 44 times in a period of 24 hours. Simple. If theta equal to 0, theta occurs 11 times in 12 hours, 22 times in 24 hours. Similarly, 180 also. The same case. If theta lies in between, very important, if theta lies in between 0 and 180, then theta occurs 22 times in 12 hours and 44 times in 24 hours. Okay, we have to remember this. See here. First angle of coincidence, first of all, between 1 and 2, the angle of coincidence will occur at 1, 5, 5 by 11. Just now I have seen. 2 and 3, 2, 10, 10 by 11. 3 and 4, 3, 15, 15 by 11. Similarly, 4 and 5, the angle of coincidence occurs at 4, 20, 20 by 11. Between 5 and 6, the angle of coincidence occurs at 5, 25, 25 by 11. Between 6 and 7, the angle of coincidence occurs at 6, 30, 30 by 11, and so on. It means in a period of 12 hours, it will occur 11 times. Now let us see the time gap between any two successive coincidences. So 2 minus 1, 1 hour means 60 minutes, plus 10 minutes minus 5 minutes means 5 minutes, plus 10 by 11 minus 5 by 11, which is 5 by 11. So that equals to 65, 5 by 11. Let us see between these two time gap. 5 minus 4, 60 minutes because 1 hour. 25 minus 20, which is 5 minutes. 25 by 11 minus 20 by 11, so which is nothing but 5 by 11, which is equals to 65, 5 by 11. Let us take these two cases. Okay, 10 minus 9, which is 1 hour, means 60 minutes, plus 50 minus 45, so 5 minutes. 50, this is 50, okay. 50 minus 45 is how much? 5 by 11, so that equals to 65, 5 by 11. It means the time gap between any two successive coincidences is 65, 5 by 11. Okay, we can say that the minute hand meets our hand for every 65, 5 by 11 minutes. Then only the watch is said to be running properly. Okay, the minute hand meets the hour hand for every 65, 5 by 11 minutes. Then only the watch is said to be running properly. We can say that the minute hand overtakes the hour hand for every 65, 5 by 11 minutes. The minute hand overtakes the hour hand for every 65, 5 by 11 minutes.